About 4.
4?
Yeah. Yep. Pretty decent amount.
Yeah.
Feels like more than 4 because we're going up the mountain so high. But everybody did great.
Yeah.
This trail's so rugged and wild. It just feels so Alaskan. I love it.
Yeah.
Look at all the water droplets on all the moss. It's just so beautiful right now.
It is very.
Yeah, I do too. It's really neat.
Especially that one we walked in too.
Yeah, I know. I like it. I like that shortcut too because, you know, you're walking alongside like a little raging creek with all these pretty waterfalls, and you're sort of having your own experience with it.
Yeah, so you would have missed it on that other trail.
Yep, absolutely. On the way down, it's a lot different. It's that area we skipped is more manicured and not quite as scenic.
Yeah, this is better.
Wow, there's just so many pretty mushrooms. It changes every day. So this area here has a huge cache of Sitka spruce cones from the squirrel hoarding for winter.
That's cool, like you said, how they got the one highway.
Yeah, they do. Pretty neat.
What do you do in the winter?
I've done different survival shows around the world. I did 2 for Japanese television in the South Pacific, 1 in Montana at my off-grid cabin in the winter, and then I've also went to the Serengeti in Africa for a survival show for Discovery Network, and then I've also stayed here. But I try to do different survival missions around the world. I'm going to go to Death Valley this October on a survival mission, which is going to be kind of interesting because I don't know as much about the desert, but I like to expand my horizons for sure.